All right, today I bring a guest to the junkyard. I will teach her how to take part out. So let's go. Welcome back to Self Rebuild. All right, we're back here. So I bring you guests, but I bet she don't want to help. She just want to, be here. I'm not cutting out, and I will keep everything you said. So basically, the exact paint code. So I will need the bumper and the fender. But the only issue we got, they want to charge me for the grill, and they want to charge for this one. So I'm debating if I will get everything or I just going to remove the grill, because I have the grill from the previous car. So without further ado, let's start the job. Let's get it. What do I need to say? Huh? What do I need? What's the right word?
He's doing a speech.
Ma'am. I'm trying to be a good YouTuber. She said, I'll be trying. Anyway, let's get it.
People so worrisome.
All right, so took the bumper out. This one. So my guest decided to be on the phone and not helping me. So I'm here doing everything by myself. Yeah, so it's out. Now I need to take the fender out, and I'll be good to go for today. Let's get it. We're done. So I brought my guest today, but she didn't help. She was here on the phone. But basically, I took everything that I need to be off. Everything is off, so about to go and pay. All right, let's go. All right, so I have to come back here, and my guest is waiting in the car. So basically, I cannot remove this tire because this not good. So I find a way to remove everything from the top, remove all the bolt. So the suspension is ready to come out. So I eventually will come back for the hood. I will eventually come back for the hood, but not today. I'm not going to do that today. And I think I will take the on to, I don't know how much they're going to charge me for the on, but I will take the on with me today. All right. So this truck look old, but they do have one here in the back, and I believe it look like it's a newer car. But this one looked too messed up with all the airbag, It took a really serious hit. So that's why I did not, take this one, So it was something rough, extremely rough. So yeah. The other one, I will eventually replace it again because it look old. I believe it's a 2015 Fiesta. This one is a 2015, so all the bolts are out. So I can remove this nut now. And after I remove this one, I believe it will come out really easily. But I have a whole video to show you how to replace the suspension. So okay, I will drop the phone and remove everything that need to be removed. Okay, let's get it. So the strut is out. I got the horn too, so I think we're good to go. Whew. All right, so we all look rusty from the junkyard, dirty. Put in a small car, Ford. What it is? You see, I like Ford so much that I call everything Ford. So we're done here. So we're about to go home, drop things that. All right, so we're done here. We're about to go home, drop this one at home, and waiting for the new build is a surprise for you. Hopefully, it's going to be a one-day build, something quick, but let's get it and see you next time for the big surprise. Peace. Say peace. Peace. Come on, I need to train her. All right, let's get it.